The 2025 Premium Jetta X90 stands out as a remarkable blend of modern luxury, advanced technology, and impressive performance, making it a compelling option in the competitive SUV segment. Designed with a focus on comfort, style, and versatility, this premium edition elevates the driving experience for families and individuals who value both practicality and sophistication. The exterior design is bold and commanding, featuring a large chrome accented grille, sleek LED headlamps, and sculpted lines that give the SUV a refined yet muscular look. Aerodynamic contours enhance its road presence while also improving efficiency. The premium trim offers exclusive alloy wheel designs, subtle chrome touches, and a panoramic sunroof, adding an extra sense of elegance to its appearance. Step inside, and the cabin of the Do Safar Do Punch Premium Jetta X90 immediately showcases its upscale nature. High-quality materials such as soft touch leather, brushed aluminum accents, and wood grain trims create a luxurious environment. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates up to 7 passengers with 3-row seating, offering ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. The premium edition comes equipped with advanced comfort features like ventilated and heated seats, multi-zone climate control, and customizable ambient lighting. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the feeling of openness and comfort. Technology is at the forefront of the Jetta X90 appeal. The 12-13-inch digital instrument cluster pairs seamlessly with a large infotainment touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice-activated controls. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB ports, and a premium surround sound audio system ensure that passengers remain connected and entertained on every journey. The vehicle also features an advanced navigation system with real-time traffic updates and over-the-air software updates to keep the system current. Under the hood, the 2025 Premium Jetta X90 offers a refined powertrain designed to balance performance with fuel efficiency. The turbocharged engine delivers strong acceleration while maintaining smooth and quiet operation, making highway cruising effortless. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the X90 offers stability and confidence across various driving conditions. Drivers can select from multiple driving modes to optimize performance for city streets, highways, or off-road adventures. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Premium Jetta X90, which comes with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking provide peace of mind for both driver and passengers. High-resolution cameras and parking sensors make maneuvering in tight spaces easy, while a 360-degree camera system ensures maximum visibility. Practicality has not been overlooked. The Jetta X90 generous cargo space, enhanced by foldable rear seats, makes it easy to transport everything from luggage to sports gear. The power-operated tailgate adds convenience, especially when loading or unloading heavy items. Fuel efficiency remains competitive, thanks to intelligent engine management and aerodynamic design, making the SUV suitable for both city commuting and long-distance travel. Overall, the 2025 Premium Jetta X90 successfully combines elegance, advanced features, and strong performance into one sophisticated package. It is a modern SUV built for those who demand comfort, connectivity, and safety without compromising on style. This model continues Jetta's mission of delivering premium experiences at an exceptional value, making it a worthy contender for anyone seeking a capable and refined family SUV.